Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Hello, kids. Here I am with a very beautiful short story in English. So, today we will read as well as write a story in English. And the title of the story is The Golden Egg. So, let's start. Once upon a time, a farmer had a goose that laid one golden egg every day. The egg provided enough money for the farmer and his wife to support their daily needs. The farmer and his wife continued to be happy for a long time. But one day, the farmer thought, why should we just take one egg a day? Why can't we take them all at once and make a lot of money? The farmer told his wife his idea, and she foolishly agreed. Then, the next day, as the goose laid its egg, golden egg, the farmer was quick with the sharp knife. Killed the goose and cut its stomach open. Hoping to find all its golden eggs. But as he opened the stomach, he only found guts and blood. So, the moral of the story is never act before you think. I hope that you like this story.